Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Paris. So in today's video, I will be doing my daughter's hair. I will be pressing it just to give her hair a little break from the synthetic hair with the braids. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today.
Your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
Cardi's bumping, Molly's stomping, Sugar's on my mind. We's in the air with my cares. Do this all the time. Right? Coming. Know where you can run, baby. I know where you can run, baby. You just can run, baby. What's some kind of run, baby? Come and get some, baby. I'ma get you some, baby. Feeling like rich, ain't shit change. Fucking clear, man. Getting with the clear, man. Song go. Listen, feel like I'm geeking, I'm freaking. Paper just ain't for sure, baby. Gotta let these haters know, baby. Stay sweet for me. Stay sweet, stay sweet, stay sweet. Girl, stay sweet, stay sweet, stay. Stay.
So I will be taking my flat iron and just making one pass with it because I will be taking my other flat iron to curl her hair. You'll see that later in the video.
BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit till it's pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Her. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa.
One I was missing, the opposite of fiction. That's fact. Always forgiven. I don't care about opinions. Facts. That's facts. The one I was missing. just the beginning. It don't get no better. As long as you hold me down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look at me, 'cause I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna pull the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now. Facts. She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Pretty ass, villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm women for the kitty. Got my phone got down. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. And they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time with a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push on the pussy like a button. Can't put time for it. Still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's our peace. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She say, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with my key levels. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I'm hired to call them hustle. We get nasty, I'm regretting. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with fake glasses. Bitch, turn on, let's make magic.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hate you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I own a watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even let you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once.
Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared. Maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. I must decorate. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once.
Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me.
Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once.
You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me.
Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Round with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look bro, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna live the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit, pipe it up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. Ain't my last and my last, I know wipe her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Gloss and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see it up by 5,000 months. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them drippin', little nigga, best watch your step. The top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BML. Think I'm done, got clothes in my right or left. And you drink like the guy ain't no key in them. Just put us in they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the chest, I'm counting more fake. Young Scott, spellers, new me in the press, I'm trying to.
So her hair is completely flat iron, one pass. So you can see that her hair do have some split ends. You can see the unevenness there. So like a year or two ago, I did try to put a texturizer in her hair, and because I was having difficulty trying to maintain it because her hair is so thick, especially at the root. And I thought putting a texturizer in would help me and her to maintain the hair, but I was like, it wasn't for us. So we learned from that lesson, and I'm only going to trim up a little bit. I'm not going to take much off. I may go back in at a later date and trim off some of them dead ends, or I may take her to a professional stylist to get it done so that her hair can grow back normal length.
Fall off like the album I'm making, but I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you feel your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong, barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. more than I already was. Whenever I'm at, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
And as always, guys, I do thank you for tuning in to watching my videos. And if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I do post any new videos on my channel.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I get work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the curve, in my dirt, 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 dirt. Drive me a dessert.
And how my daughter did maintain her hair, I did wrap it for her. So I combed it, wrapped the hair, and then put a scarf on it so that it could set overnight. Yeah.